So we have to understand how to integrate recurring function. You can use uh, integration by part to solve these kind of situations, but I would recommend you guys to go with this idea. Okay, so I'll be giving you some short trick related to that. Recurring means both function will keep on going till infinity. Means you know that if you will take e power x in differentiation integration, you will keep on going till infinity. And so as here as well. In previous classes we have studied x power something and then some trigonometric function. But this time we have to handle e power x with some integrate function. Okay, so how we will write down the direct answer without going through integration by parts? Look at here. So suppose that you know that the first part will be differentiation, second part will be integration. Okay, now we have to decide what I should take as the first function and the second function. Now you know that I inverse L logarithmic A algebraic T is trigonometric. So first function has to be trigonometric function. So suppose it is cos x and second function will be e power x. Now you will keep on doing differentiation of first function and you will keep on doing integration of the second function till you get the same term. Means we have started from cos, we should end at cos. So what is the differentiation of cos? It's sine. What is the differentiation of sine? It's cos. Now you reached at the same point, you started from cos, you are at cos, so it is same thing. So you will stop here only. Now integration of e power x is e power x, e power x is e power x. Now first sign will be positive, then negative, then positive. How will you respond? You will write this way, then this way, and then you will be writing this way. Okay, now look at this. How will you write? You will be writing I this side. I is this thing. Okay, now the first component is e power x cos x. Minus and minus will become plus sin x e power x, and then minus of cos x e power x, minus of cos x e power x, same thing. No, so here you have to write I. Now this I will come this side, so it will become 2i, and we will have e power x cos x plus e power x sin x. Okay, now divide both side by 2 and you are done. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can memorize this integration part. Okay.